Hi there, I have been working in software project management for quite some time now. Let me explain what it is and why it's important. Software project management is the process of planning, organizing, and controlling software projects. It's important because it ensures that software projects are delivered on time, within budget, and meet the required quality standards. There are two main types of software project management: Agile and Waterfall. Agile focuses on flexibility and adaptability, while Waterfall follows a strict sequential approach. The software project manager is responsible for leading the project team, managing the project budget, and ensuring that the project is completed on time and within scope. It's a challenging role that requires excellent communication and leadership skills. The project lifecycle is the series of phases that a project goes through from start to finish. The 5 stages of project management are initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closing. I hope this has been informative and helpful in understanding software project management. If you're interested in pursuing a career in software project management, there are plenty of resources available to help you get started.